The 8-cylinder engine plus 8 DCT dual-clutch Great Wall Seoul Station Wagon has been officially introduced and has more than Seoul. At the Beijing Motorcycle Show, the S2000ST, the first high-end wide-body motorcycle under the Great Wall Seoul brand, was officially introduced. In terms of the exterior design of the S2000ST, the field experience is not similar to that of the Honda Goldwing. In comparison, the S2000ST is larger and almost all the vehicle manufacturing technology has been applied to a two-wheeled motorcycle. It has a wide front fairing that includes bionic design elements, and its body embodies an aerodynamic and complete silhouette. The wide seat design is also one of the prominent features of this car. The headlight set of the S2000ST adopts a similar design to the headlight set of the Tank 700 and is decorated with details to highlight the agility and sophistication of the vehicle design. The design of the taillight set is more like the rear of a car. The pass-through taillights mirror the headlights and are very recognizable. The vehicle system is equipped with a 12.3-inch full-color LCD screen, similar to the vehicle's central controller. The Bluetooth speakers on both sides are also the most powerful among mass-produced models. In terms of electronic control, functional configurations such as voice control, cruise control, electric windshield, handlebar heating, seat heating are provided. In addition to its appearance, the power system is the most striking part of the motorcycle. It is equipped with a horizontally opposed 8-cylinder water-cooled engine with a displacement of 2.0 liters, paired with an 8-speed DCT automatic dual-clutch transmission, and adopts an integrated structural design. The technology is derived from many years of experience. Compared to Honda Goldwing's 1,800 cubic centimeters 6-cylinder engine, its structure is more compact and its power performance is better. Large area air intakes on both sides not only increase the visual width of the vehicle, but are also designed to meet the air intake required by the 8-cylinder engine. In S2000ST's body frame design, the aluminum double-spar body frame is strong and combines lightness and high rigidity, while also creating a lower body center of gravity to increase driving stability with the engine. Additionally, the front double-wishbone suspension system is derived from automotive technology. The fixed steering column is paired with the connecting rod structure to stabilize the body and increase comfort. The body size is 2,267 mm long, the wheelbase is 1810 mm and the seat height is 740 mm. The brake system also adopts high standard equipment configuration. The front wheels use 320 mm dual floating discs with Brembo opposed 4-piston calipers. Although the specific configuration has not been announced, ABS braking system and TCS traction control system will definitely not be missing. In addition, the rear storage space is also quite large, as the capacity of the trunk plus side bags exceeds 100 liters.